The new SSP Integrated Kits from Year 4 to 6 have been refreshed with a new look to increase functionality and usability. The demonstration video will cover how a Year 5 classroom teacher can utilize the new digital displays to accommodate their 3 teaching groups. Step 1 is to ensure you have access to My SSP Kit online on the PLD website. If you've not done so already, go to this website and click the Redeem License button at the bottom of the page. Sign in or create a free PLD account and then enter your license code displayed in the front cover of your physical SSP kit manual. Once logged in, navigate and click on the My SSP Kit tab. This will bring up any SSP kits you have activated on your account. Refer to your spreadsheet data, which has already completed the PLD process, to identify your 3 teaching groups. So in my class, I have a group following the teaching sequence, a group 1 stage behind, and another group that's more significantly behind. As you can see, I've already decided the catch-up terms I will be completing with students working behind the teaching sequence. The next step is to open 3 tabs by copying and pasting the current website's URL 3 times. So I'm just simply copying and pasting that and opening up 3 tabs. This is to signify the 3 teaching groups. You can also add this website as a bookmark favorite in your browser to make this process even simpler. When looking at the online kits resources, you'll see 2 areas. On the left-hand side is the area for accessing the printable PDF files. And on the right-hand side, you can access the online digital display resources. The top area refers to the teaching sequence terms for the year level, and below provides the resources for the catch-up materials. This demonstration video will focus on the digital display resources only. In my example, it's currently Term 1, Week 3 in Year 5. In my first tab, I'm going to navigate to Term 1 button to open the display. The first page is actually an interactive slide, so you can click on the week to quickly navigate and view the slides. In the review slides, the student version will have the last 2 weeks of concepts for you to reference. You can print out or have another view of the teacher versions, and these slides will provide you with words from previously taught phonic concepts and prompts for the last fortnight and last week's learning. You can choose to present these views or the student version to write in while reviewing with the students. The next step is to prepare the 2 other group review displays. So I'll go to my next tab, navigate to the catch-up area and open Stage 4 Part C, then click on Week 3. In the last tab, I will navigate to the catch-up area again and open up Stage 3 Part D this time. Now, currently PLD doesn't have the updated content for Stages 1 to 3. So I have everything I need on this first page. Once I move into later weeks, I can use the 4 squares at the bottom to quickly navigate between slides to review content. Now you're ready to start teaching. A hot tip is to hook up your clicker to your computer to easily navigate between slides. Or you could also use keyboard shortcuts that are available to switch between tabs seamlessly. On your Mac, it is Option, Command, and the arrow keys, and on your Windows devices, it is Control Tab. If you have a Logitech device or another clicker with advanced options, you can also set this up so that you can have specific commands on it. So I have mine set up so that I can actually long hold on these buttons to switch between the tabs. Remember, during the review, we expose all students, regardless of their groups, to each other's learning. So we'll complete 10 to 15 minutes of review across the 3 groups concepts covered over the last few weeks. For a full demonstration of these displays in action, please view the teaching demonstration videos. And thank you for watching.
If you found this information useful, don't forget to click the subscribe button and check out our related videos shown here. If you have any questions or feedback, please add them to the comments below and we'll be sure to respond. Otherwise, you can reach us via live chat on our website, pld-literacy.org. Thanks again for viewing.